Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2015 90 horse 4-stroke Yamaha. This is a 20-inch. It is remote. This one came back with 281 hours, 200 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It will come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil. The fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. This one will come with a new OEM control box. It will not come with the throttle and shift cables. Be in good water. Move this so it doesn't get soaking wet. Stand a little bit farther back. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.